Oh, I would have much preferred to give or to get some better footage. But man, I'm gonna tell you what, I am one nasty, sweaty, fat man. I have handled this thing and wrangled it, and it's in there. And I mean, I have to say, comparatively speaking, it looks pretty good. Me being Mr. Eeyore.
Not much of a house, just right for not much of a donkey.
As hard as I have worked on this thing, it should be 24 karat gold plated, but it is what it is. Here's how that fuel pump clears. And this is how the motor support is clearing. Yeah, I know it. I got speckled on there. Them poor fellas at Pebble Beach are gonna give me a grind thrashing, I'd say. I had to actually take them things off and fumble them around and put the bolt to the mount on the motor side and then bolt it down that way. They were, I don't know if you'd say they were a little bit off or what, but they went on. No drilling, no hardship. This is I hadn't got it buttoned up because my plan is to actually go in there and make it dual line. So I've got some plumbing to do on that. But until then, you can see how it goes down to the one little brass block down there. And this is my clearance on my oil filter. I mean, it's pretty close, but that side's just gonna be plugged. And this side, I don't know if this side's gonna be one of my outlets, because I want to put a pressure switch for my brake lights. That's what I had on the other one, so I'll probably do both the outlets over here on this side and do the pressure switch over here and just block the other one off. But that's the boost turd. I think that's about it. I've been sweating like a whore in church. No thrills, no spill. Well, I got plenty of spills. I spilled over there. A little bit of that bagel. That's what you get. It. Moment of truth. All that work.
Theodore Roosevelt once said, "The credit belongs to the man who is actually in the arena, whose face is marred by dust and sweat and blood, who knows the great enthusiasms, the great devotions, and spends himself in a worthy cause, who at best, if he wins, knows the thrills of high achievement, and if he fails, at least fails while daring greatly, so that his place shall never be with those cold and timid souls who know neither victory nor defeat,